Hi guys, it's Mr. David, and today we are going to continue our lesson talking about different parts of the house. In our previous lesson, we found out about the things that we can see in our kitchens and bathrooms. And today we are going to continue on the same topic. Let's start with the dates as we normally do. So today is Wednesday, 13th of May 2020. What about the season? What is the season? So it is spring. We are quickly getting closer to summer, but we still have to wait a little bit. What about the weather? How is the weather? Here it is cloudy and warm. So it's getting warmer and warmer as we get closer to summer. So, as I said before, our topic today will continue the kitchen and bathroom things that we can find. And we are also going to study a little bit of grammar. Is there, are there. First, let's revise what a kitchen is. As we said many times before, a kitchen is a place where we can cook and where we can eat. And now let's start revising the words that we learned in our previous lesson. Let's start with the first one, table. So a table is a place where we can eat. We can eat on a table. So we put our plate and then we eat. Then we have the word oven. Repeat after me, oven. So the oven is the place where we can cook things inside the oven. We can also cook things on the oven. So when we light the fire, if you have that oven, so we can put a pot with water and we can cook things there. Then we have the word cupboard. Cupboard. And the cupboard is a place where we can put our things inside that we use to eat, our plates and our cups. Then we have the word fridge. And the fridge is the cold place where we keep the food inside to make sure it doesn't go bad. And finally, we have the word kettle. Kettle. And the kettle is the metal thing that we use to boil water to make tea or coffee. And then let's revise what a bathroom is. So a bathroom is a place where we can take a shower and we can wash our hands. Now the words for the bathroom that we learned before. Bath. Repeat after me. Bath. Don't forget the th at the end. Bath. Then we have the word tap. Tap. We have the word sink. The sink is the place where the water goes after, so don't look at the picture and see just the tap. So we also have the sink. Then we have the word toilet. And finally, we have the word mirror. So, and these are the things that we can find in the bathroom, that we can normally find in the bathroom. And then we have our special word, which was the word door. So this was the last word and it was a special word. So because a door we can find in many places of the house, not just the bathroom and not just the kitchen, but we can also find doors in the living room, in the bedroom, in the attic, in the balcony, at the entrance of the house. Now let's quickly revise there is and there are as we did before. So you remember when we have one book, we say there is a book. And when we have many books, like in this case 3, we say there are books. If we use a different example, as we did before, if we have 3 apples, and then we only have 1 apple, we say there is an apple. We use an because apple starts with a vowel. So in this case, the vowel A. And if we have 3 apples, we say there are 3 apples, or we can just say there are apples. In another example, if we talk about fruits, In the first, on the left side, we have a banana, which is a fruit. We say there is a fruit. And if we have different fruits, like an apple, a banana, and a strawberry, then we say there are fruits. Very good. Let's go now into the exercises. In this case, we say is there, are there. So these are questions when we want to know if there is something there. Let's look again at this table. I would recommend that you pause the video to write this table down. If you did it before, don't be afraid to do it again. It's always good to practice. So, if the answer is yes, and we have one fruit, then we would ask, is there a fruit? And the answer would be yes. Then we would say, yes, there is. And if there would be many fruits, then the answer would be, yes, there are. Is there a fruit in that picture? Yes, there is. Are there fruits in that picture? Yes, there are. But what if the answer is no? So, is there a fruit in that picture? No, there is not, because the picture is of a book. And if I ask the question, are there fruits in that picture? No, there are not, because they are pictures of books. Let's go to the first task. So we are going to look at pictures of different kitchens, and we are going to ask some questions. Now try to answer the questions. I know that you can do it. So this is kitchen number 1. Let's look at this kitchen. Wow, it is such a beautiful kitchen. Let's start with the question, is there? So remember, is there is a question we ask when it's just one. So the first question, is there an oven in the kitchen? Now let's look at that picture. I can see an oven. So the answer will be, yes, there is. Because it's right there. I can see the oven. Can you see the oven? Let's go to the second question. Is there a bed in the kitchen? A bed? I can't see a bed. So the answer will be no, there is not. Because there is not a bed in the kitchen. But what if we use are there? Are there cupboards in the kitchen? I can see cupboards in the kitchen, and they are white, so they are white cupboards in the kitchen. So the answer will be yes, there are. And what if the question is, are there toilets in the kitchen? I can't see any toilets in the kitchen, fortunately. So the answer will be no, there are not. So there are no toilets in the kitchen. Let's look at kitchen number 2. With the same question, is there, are there? The first question is there a kettle in the kitchen? Now let's look at the kitchen. Right there, far in the back, I can see a brown kettle. So the answer will be yes, there is. Is there a desk in the kitchen? Look at the picture. What do you think? Is there a desk in the kitchen? No, there is not. So we can find a desk in the bedroom. Now let's use are there. Are there chairs in the kitchen? This one is very easy because I can see 2 chairs in the kitchen. So the answer will be yes, there are. And the last question, are there baths in the kitchen? I can't see any baths. Can you? No? So the answer will be no, there are not. And now let's look at the last kitchen. Let's ask the same question. Is there a table in the kitchen? This one should be easy because there is a very big table in this kitchen. So the answer will be yes, there is. Is there a sofa in the kitchen? Can you look at the picture? Can you see a sofa? No. So the answer will be no, there is not. So where can you find a sofa? Can you tell me? That's right. You can find it in the living room. Now let's ask the question, are there cupboards in the kitchen? This kitchen has some white cupboards. So the answer will be yes, there are. Are there toilets in the kitchen? This one is also easy because we can't see any toilets in the kitchen. So the answer will be no, there are not. Now let's do our second task. We are going to look at different bathrooms and we are going to be asking some questions. The same questions, but this time in the bathroom. Let's look at bathroom number 1. So the first question is there a shower in the bathroom? Yes, there is, because a bathroom mostly has a shower. Is there a television in the bathroom? I can't see any television, so the answer will be no, there is not. Do you have a television in the bathroom? I know I don't. Now let's ask the question, are there taps in the bathroom? Yes, there are. I can see 2 taps in this bathroom. And the second question, are there tables in the bathroom? This bathroom has no tables. So the answer will be no, there are not. Let's look at bathroom number 2. The first question is there a mirror in the bathroom? And yes, I can see a mirror, so the answer will be yes, there is. Is there a toilet in the bathroom? Normally there is a toilet in the bathroom, but in this bathroom, I can't see a toilet. So in this case, the answer has to be no, there is not. Are there taps in the bathroom? Yes, there are. There is one in the bath and there is one in the sink. And are there ovens in the bathroom? Ovens? I can't see any ovens. No, there are not. And where can you find the oven? That's right, in the kitchen. Now let's look at the last bathroom and ask the last questions. Is there a toilet in the bathroom? Yes, we can clearly see a toilet in the bathroom. Yes, there is. Is there a sofa in the bathroom? A sofa? No, there is not. I can't see a sofa. Are there paintings in the bathroom? Wow, look at that, right over there. 2 beautiful paintings. So, yes, there are. And our last question today. Are there kettles in the bathroom? I can't see any kettles because we can find them in the kitchen. So the answer has to be no, there are not. Guys, you did such an amazing job today. We kept practicing is there, are there, and we also revised all the words of the things that we can find in the kitchen and in the bathroom. We are going to continue practicing this, and don't forget to complete your exercises and to keep practicing these words. Bye!